Are you looking for the best toaster oven? In this video, we will look at some of the best toaster oven on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven. Endless functions. With 1,800 watts of power, you are able to dual cook, sandwich speed convection, pizza, bake, broil, toast, waffle, bagel, leftover, keep warm, including several other options. Capacity: fits 13-inch pizza, 9-inch x 13-inch baking pan and 9 slices of bread. 0.95 cubic feet inside oven toaster. Must-have features: this digital convection toaster oven has large blue blacklist display with door sensor to activate oven and non-stick interior for easy cleanup. The exact heat sensor maintains precise oven temperature, always even toast shade control, and a convenient auto-slide rack for convenience. Included, this beautiful brushed stainless steel unit comes with a 13-inch pizza stone, 2 cooking racks, 9-inch x 13-inch enamel baking pan and broiling pan. Also includes interior light, clock and 2-hour timer with front pull-out crumb tray and recipe book. Limited 3-year warranty, referred to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA free. The best rated toaster oven, with the most versatility, the right price and the correct interior space is the Cuisinart TOB260N1. It slightly edged out the Breville Smart Oven Pro for a few reasons. We're confident this can be the best toaster oven 2018 and 2019. Check price: the TOB260N1 provides the best all-around experience and is at the right price. First off, it heats up quicker despite its larger interior space, 0.95 versus 0.8 cubic feet. And while a minute or so may be moot to some, it's still a consideration, especially if you're hungry and want to start and stop your cooking so you can eat your meal already. Second, the interior space of the Cuisinart TOB260N1 was a big factor. Why? Because it's large enough to fit a 9x13 in baking pan. During our research, we baked a cake inside of the Cuisinart and had great results. It was perfectly cooked on the outside but moist on the inside. Cooking time was also a few minutes less than what the packaging suggested, which in our book is a plus. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Pro Toaster Oven. The Breville Smart Oven Pro with Element IQ system is a high-performance countertop oven. Reduce your cooking time by up to 30% using the convection setting and choose from 10 cooking functions as an interior oven light guides you to perfection. Element IQ system, using 5 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment for perfect results every time. Fast 1800-watt preheat gets your meals on the table more quickly. Convection powered, the Smart Oven Pro's convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%. An inbuilt fan circulates the hot air within the oven, which speeds the cooking process by stripping away the cold air that surrounds your food. 10 cooking functions, versatile countertop oven with 10 cooking functions to guide you to perfection: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm and slow cook. Smart oven with slow cook function. Take your time to tenderize and develop complex flavors using the slow cook function, designed for long cook times at low temperatures. Slow cook for up to 10 hours before the setting automatically turns to keep warm. Large capacity, large 18.5 by 15.7 by 11.1 inch interior with enough room for 6 slices of bread, 13-inch pizza, roast chicken, and a 9-cup muffin tray, and even for slow cooking with a 4.4 QT Dutch oven. Interior oven light. Integrated oven light automatically turns on at the end of the cooking cycle to help you see inside. Auto shut off, an independently controlled button. Replaceable componentry like your regular large oven. If you're looking for comparable performance to the Cuisinart, with a slight drawback in interior space, but you're willing to part with your hard-earned cash for a nicer machine with a better fit and finish, the Breville Smart Pro is the way to go. Check price: the Breville is premium, pricey, but it looks great and functions in a commensurate fashion. If it weren't for the Breville's smaller interior space compared to that of the Cuisinart, the Breville would take the cake. However, not being able to fit a 9x13 pan is an almost non-starter in our book. However, with that you do get a smaller footprint, which means less counter space being sucked up. The Breville toaster oven with convection is also aesthetically nicer all around, though you might have to look closer to see the differences. While both the top two machines have a stainless steel finish, the Breville's fit and finish is much more premium. Number 3. Panasonic Toaster Oven Flash Express with double infrared heating and removable 9. Double infrared heating high-efficiency quartz and ceramic infrared heating elements are positioned in the front and back to evenly toast, bake, brown and reheat to perfection. Precise temperature control, easily bake piping hot fresh breads and prepared meals, an endless variety of tasty side dishes, homemade hors d'oeuvres and more with a convenient manual touch button temperature control sensor. See-through glass door. The resilient, see-through door is connected to the baking rack to smoothly and safely pull the rack toward you as the door is opened. Clean compact design. The flash press toaster oven's compact design accents any kitchen decor or countertop. Easy to use. The flash press toaster oven includes a square shape inner tray, a perfect fit for pizza up to 9 inches in diameter or up to 4 slices of bread plus baking, and removable crumb trays. Enter the toaster oven that sometimes feels a bit like a microwave. And I mean that in the most positive of senses. How? The Flash Express is exceptional at heating up food. Cold pizza? No problem. Within a few minutes, a slice or two can be returned to crispy perfection. Because the Flash Express utilizes both far and near infrared, it heats up ultra quick when compared to the aforementioned two. Just take a look at the preheat times in our below chart. A large part of this can be attributed to the toaster oven's light button, which is in fact a heat source. Push it and you'll feel what is instantaneous heat. No warm-up time. In fact, the light cycles on and off in just about any setting. Check price. The Flash Express a top pick for reheating and toasting. It's also great for small kitchens. The Flash Express also wins big in the compact category. It's about half the size than the other top two toaster ovens, which also partially explains its ability to heat up so quickly and do such a great job reheating food. Number 4. Oster Toaster Oven. Also researched in our kitchen after an exhaustive search was the Hamilton 31128 and the Oster TSST TVMNDG001 toaster ovens. Both are very much budget options, and we'd be remiss not to test the other end of the price spectrum. Check price. The Oster is the best toaster oven if you're on a budget under $100. During our research, I found that both were decent at toasting toast. However, neither are anything to get excited about, largely because of their build quality, look and altogether no pizzazz operation. But again, they're both in the sub $100 range, so it's fitting. So what's our ultra budget recommendation or the best toaster oven under $100? The Oster TSST TVMNDG001 toaster oven. Let's just ignore the model number and focus on the positive things, at least for now. The Oster is $79.99, and compared to our top 3 picks, it's a steal. Why? It's versatile thanks to its large capacity and preheat times that are on par with our top 2 picks.